a radius of 5 centimeters. You can take according to your choice also, but I am taking 5 centimeters. Now I am taking a sheet of 12 into 12 centimeters. And what you guys have to do is insert it at a point and sketch a circle of about 5 centimeters. So as you guys can see, I sketched it, and now what you have to do is keep it at a point with the same radius and just bisect it like this. It will be divided into 6 equal parts after bisecting like this. So like this, it will be bisected with 6 equal parts like this. And now what you will do is take a scale and draw a hexagon like this. You have to make lines all over the 6 intersecting points. From one point to another, we will make the lines like this. Please make sure to hit the like button. Sorry for that wrong line, actually that just popped up like this. So like this, I've made a hexagon, and now you guys have to cut out this hexagon with a pair of scissors like this. And guys, without doing that step, I forgot. Sorry. Lol. You just have to erase one part, and now you have to make an extension of one. Just erase one part and take 1 centimeter further. Then just make this line and extend this part more like this, and now cut it out after this extended part. So guys, like this I am cutting out. So this way you will cut out our hexagon with the 1 centimeter extended point. And now you will take a scale and just fold this part inside like this. Now you have to make 6 more like this. So guys, like this, in total there should be 7, one which I made with you all, and these also. Now what you have to do is take one of them and cut out this part. Only one, don't cut out for rest. Just cut it out and it's done. So now we will take all of these. What you will do is we will stick this part which comes here like this. You will stick it like this. I'll tell you how you have to do it. We will take this hexagon, just paste some glue, keep it, and just paste it. Take the second one also, paste it. So this way I've pasted the second one also. Now we will stick the third one. Now we will paste the third one. So like this here. Just remove the stain marks of this. This way paste the 4, 5, 6 ones also like this. So this way I had closed it, and this way you will open it. This is the way. And now I have cut some patterned papers like this. These are of 4 centimeters. So you will have to stick them like this. So this way I've stuck on all of these. Now I've taken the sheet and we are going to take the radius of 4.5 centimeters and again draw a hexagon like this. So guys, I've cut out this hexagon of 4.5 centimeters, and now we are gonna stick it here like this. I've sticked it, and now on the back side here also stick the pattern papers like this. So I've sticked on the back side also, and now we are gonna keep it like this, and we are gonna close them one by one. Like this, it got closed and it closes here. So I've taken this cute bow, so we are gonna stick this cute bow here. So this way a very beautiful card is ready. So give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below how is the card. And now I'll meet you in my next video. So till then you guys can see how the beautiful card looks. So till then, bye guys.